Kids, here we have revision of measurement. Measurement means to measure the object. As you all know, measurement of length we have learned, measurement of weight, measurement of capacity. So measurement of length, kilometer, meter and centimeter. Weight, kilogram and gram. Units, capacity, liter and milliliter. So whenever we measure any object, first we have to see that we have to measure length or weight or capacity. Measurement of length, very small objects of length we measure with scale centimeter, a little big meter, and very long means distance between two cities, distance between your home and school, that is measured with kilometer. Again here weight of fruits, weight of vegetables and all that. So potato, tomato, green grocer, you all know that, kilogram and gram. Capacity means any pot or any bucket like milk, water, we have to measure like liter and milliliter. So first we will go for that conversion of length, then weight, then capacity, and add and subtraction. Here 1 kilometer. You all know the spelling of kilometer, but when we calculate, then we have to use these initials. 1 km. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Again 1 meter we have 100 centimeter. 1 kilogram 1000 gram. 1 liter 1000 millimeter. Now we convert kilometer into meter and meter into kilometer. Again like that we will convert kilogram into gram. For that we have to multiply by 1000. When we convert gram into kilogram, we have to divide by 1000. Same here, when we convert kilometer into meter, we have to multiply. But whenever smaller to bigger, meter into kilometer, we will divide by 1000. Centimeter into meter, we will divide by 100. Same here, 1 liter, 1000 milliliter. When we convert anything, any capacity, milk or water, liter into milliliter, we will multiply by 1000. But when we convert milliliter into liter, we have to divide. So take care of this multiplication and division. It is very simple. Into multiply by 1000 means we have to add 3 zeros, and divide means we have to remove 3 zeros or till 3. Once tens 100, that is a smaller unit. After that we have bigger unit. Here convert 5 kilogram into gram. We have to convert it into gram. So what we will write? 5 into 1000 is equal to 5000 gram. Like that. And same here, if we convert 3 kilogram 400 gram into gram, what we will do? Multiply by 1000 and then plus 400. 3000 plus this gram 400. So what will be here? 3400 gram. So you have to take care of that. If we have bigger unit and we have to convert into smaller unit, first you multiply by 1000. Whatever the answer will come, you just add the smaller object for that. This is very important part. You have to take care of that. And one very important thing, each and every answer before you are doing, you have to write this. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. This is of half mark in the exam. If you will not write this, your half mark will be cut. So take care of that. Here convert kilometer into meter. So this point is must. You have to write 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Now what to do? 6 kilometer means 6 into multiply by 1000. So what will be here? 6000 meter. Same here, 8 kilometer. 1 kilometer we have 1000 meter. So 8 kilometer, 8 multiply by 1000. So we have 8000 meter, like that. We have convert kilometer and meter into meter. Now we have 3 kilometer 200 meter. First what will we do? Multiply by 1000. Then whatever the answer will come, add 200. 3 multiply by 1000. Here we have, you have to put here meter. Again we have 3000 meter. Then plus 200 meter. So you have to write all the meters here. 3200 meter. So half mark is for that. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. And half mark is for answer. You have to mention answer at the end. 3200 meter. So don't forget to write these two important parts of the sum. Now the answer is 3200 meter. Here we have to convert gram into kilogram. Means smaller unit into bigger unit. Kilogram is bigger unit and gram is a smaller unit. So what we will do? We will divide by 1000. Now take care of that. You all know division very well. We have 3 zeros here. So whatever the number is, means here we have 3000 gram. What we will do? 3000 divided by 1000. Here we have 3 zeros. Here we have 3 zeros. So remove the zeros. Now the answer is 3 kilogram. Again here 5000 gram. 5000 divided by 1000. That is 5 kilogram. Now look at here. Whenever we have like that 6800 gram means now we have no 3 zeros. We have ones, tens, hundred. These are, so you have to look for the 3 places. Ones, tens, hundred. Here we have 3 zeros. So you have to look for the 3 places. Very simple. These are gram and this is kilogram. So 6800 divided by 1000, 6 kilogram, 800 gram. Same here, we have 5200 gram. So when you divide it by 1000, here ones, tens, hundred, you have to take it for gram. Why? Because in 1000 we have 3 zeros. So 5200 gram we have 5 kilogram 200 gram. Convert liter into milliliter means water, milk, capacity. So 1 liter we have 1000 milliliter. 8 liter again same, 8 into 1000 we have 8000 milliliter. 7 into 1000 we have 7000 milliliter. Now this is same. You have to multiply by 1000. Whatever the answer will be, you have to plus 200 here. Means 9200 milliliter. If we have two, one we have bigger unit and another we have smaller unit. Means first you convert bigger unit into smaller unit. Whatever the answer will come, add this number here. Then the final answer is like that. So you have to follow 2 steps for that. Write in columns and then add or subtract. Add, we have 3 kilogram 400 gram, 3 kilogram 100 gram and 4 kilogram 280 gram. 280 gram. So columns means to put it like that. You have to write kilogram one time and gram one time. So you have to put it under 3 kilogram, 3 kilogram, 4 kg, 4 kg. Like that, this is 4 kg, 3 kg, 3 kg. So we have to put gram also according to that. 400 gram, then 100 gram, then 280 gram. Then you have to add all the numbers. So here we have 0, 8, 780 gram. Here we have 10 kg. Now you have to take it answer also. This is of half mark. You have to write answer like that. Same with subtraction. But you have to take care of this. Then whenever you are putting column, upper side bigger number for subtraction. Suppose you have to subtract 3 kilogram 180 gram from means upper side. that is the greater number, from 6 kilogram to 20 gram. So what you will do? Kilogram, gram, first you put bigger number here, 20, then 3, then 18, then according to that you minus it, whatever the answer is coming, that is your final answer. So for word problem, you go to my previous videos. Lot of word problem are there, you revise your word problem from that side. This is total revision of measurement. So see it again and again, and then you do your